Let's face it, trying to get noticed online these days feels like shouting into a stadium full of people already shouting louder. Every time you think you've discovered a fresh idea, there's already a viral TikTok about it, 3 Shopify stores selling it, and someone's dog reviewing it on YouTube. But what if I told you that making $100 every single day in 2025 doesn't require you to go head-to-head with million-dollar companies or churn out content like a caffeine-powered robot? Welcome to the low-competition niche strategy, your backstage pass to skipping the noisy crowds and quietly making a solid, steady income. This isn't some flashy, get-rich-quick circus act. This is the introvert's video to making money while everyone else fights for center stage. It's not about going viral, it's about going smart. It's about finding gold where others forgot to dig. And the best part? You can do it without dancing on camera, investing thousands, or working 10-hour days. Let's dive in and explore how to build your $100 per day income stream without breaking a sweat. The rise of the $100 per day side hustle, yes, it's real. Let's get one thing straight. People are actually making this money. This isn't theoretical or hypothetical. From freelance AI-enhanced writers making $6,000 a month to YouTubers automating their faceless videos, the $100 a day benchmark is being met and surpassed, all without screaming into the social media void or creating another dropshipping empire that sells premium water bottles. This shift is largely powered by new tools and smarter workflows that eliminate the traditional time for money trap. What used to take a team of professionals and an expensive setup can now be managed solo with an AI assistant and a bit of niche strategy. Entrepreneurs are now looking for smarter, not harder, ways to earn, and the beauty is that many of these methods require minimal startup capital. AI-powered freelancing, writing that pays while you scroll TikTok. According to Vocal.media and Upwork's June 2025 earnings data, AI-powered freelancers have seen a 25% income increase year over year. Writers are using tools like ChatGPT to speed up content production, with one freelancer quoted earning over $6,000 per month by producing just 10 optimized articles per day. That's $200 per day using smart workflows and a steady niche, such as eco-lifestyle blogging or crypto education for beginners. Not only does this method work, but it allows for growth without burnout. Freelancers are now embracing a blend of creativity and automation. AI tools generate drafts, suggest SEO-optimized headings, and even check for tone. The result? High-quality content produced in half the time. The most successful freelancers don't just write, they manage a system. Print on demand and AI art. Passive income, anyone? Maybe writing isn't your jam. Good news. AI-generated art is becoming one of the most profitable, low-competition niches in 2025. Vocal.media reports creatives making between $100 to $500 per day by uploading AI-generated art to POD sites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Etsy. The secret sauce, niching down. Think frog yoga posters or retro travel prints for cats. With tools like Midjourney or Leonardo.ai, creators can generate dozens of unique art pieces in a matter of hours. Paired with Canva or Placiate to design mock-ups and product listings, even non-designers can build a visually compelling storefront. What makes this model especially appealing is the passive nature of income once your products are up and ranking. There's no packaging, no inventory, and no customer service, just a growing collection of designs making money in the background. It's creative, scalable, and perfect for those who want their art and their income to work overtime. YouTube automation, faceless but not profitless. Let's say you hate being on camera. Perfect. Because YouTube automation is your new BFF. In this model, you write scripts, or have AI write them, use tools like ElevenLabs for voiceovers, and Pictory or InVideo for visuals. One case study in 2025 highlighted a finance channel bringing in $1,000 per day in ad revenue alone. No filming, no acting, just good scripting and SEO. Channels like these focus on delivering high-value evergreen content. Think educational explainers, narrated listicles, or tech breakdowns. Once monetized through YouTube's partner program or affiliate links, these videos generate income on autopilot. The key is consistency, posting 2 to 3 times per week and leveraging keyword research to capture search traffic. If you enjoy storytelling and love the idea of building assets that grow in value, YouTube automation is one of the smartest plays in the creator economy. Prompt selling, the new digital product goldmine. Here's a wild one. People are making bank selling ChatGPT prompts. Yep, the thing you're using right now. Forbes recently ran a feature titled, "How to Use ChatGPT Prompts to Make $100 per Day," showing sellers offering custom prompt bundles for things like business plans, fitness routines, and social media content calendars. What's genius about this side hustle is its simplicity. Once you've created and tested a quality prompt, you can list it on marketplaces like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own Notion-powered mini-store. Prompts that solve specific problems like 30-day Instagram content plans for dog trainers are especially popular. Many creators bundle prompts with short tutorials or usage guides, adding perceived value and commanding higher prices. With minimal overhead and unlimited scaling potential, this digital product goldmine is a perfect entry point for anyone looking to earn $100 per day without getting tangled in physical logistics. Sustainable niches still thrive, but only the smart ones. If you're going the physical product route, consider sustainable goods. According to eComposer.io's 2025 consumer study, 66% of buyers are willing to pay more for eco-conscious items. But instead of going broad, go micro-niche. For example, instead of eco-friendly products, try biodegradable travel toothbrush holders or zero-waste gifts for dog lovers. Smart entrepreneurs are using dropshipping platforms and small batch suppliers to minimize risk and maximize variety. By building an Etsy store or Shopify site focused on one micro-theme, creators can stand out in crowded spaces. SEO also plays a huge role. Long-tail product listings and blog-driven traffic bring organic buyers who are already ready to convert. This niche is particularly attractive for those passionate about sustainability, offering a chance to earn ethically and align profit with purpose. It's meaningful money that leaves a small footprint and a big impression. The tools making it possible and profitable. Behind every $100 per day side hustle is a stack of ridiculously powerful tools. Writers use Jasper or ChatGPT to generate and polish bulk content, often completing in an hour what used to take an entire afternoon. Designers, even those with zero formal training, now create stunning visuals using AI design tools like Midjourney, Canva, and Leonardo.ai. These platforms take the guesswork out of aesthetics, enabling even beginners to create high-converting product mockups and social media content. Video creators are riding the same wave of automation. Platforms like Pictory and InVideo let you turn scripts into full video content with B-roll, music, and transitions, all without ever opening editing software. And for voiceovers? ElevenLabs provides ultra-realistic AI-generated voices that rival professional narrators. Meanwhile, Synthesia takes things even further by turning text into videos featuring AI avatars that speak in multiple languages. Day in the life, the $100 workflow. Let's walk through a realistic daily blueprint. Say you start your day by sipping some coffee and opening ChatGPT to draft a $60 blog post for a regular client, easy focused work that takes maybe 2 hours. Next, you log into Etsy and see that 2 of your $20 digital templates have sold overnight score, another $40. Meanwhile, your YouTube automation channel racks up 2,000 views and earns $10 from ads. Altogether, that's $110 before noon. This kind of workflow isn't just possible, it's replicable. The secret is stacking multiple low-maintenance income streams that complement each other. You're not betting everything on one product or platform. You're spreading your effort across a smart portfolio. Whether it's writing, digital products, or monetized media, each component builds on the last. Tips to max out your earnings without burning out. Don't spread yourself thin. One of the quickest ways to sabotage your success is to chase too many shiny objects at once. Focus on 1 or 2 niches that align with your interests and skills. Then validate them using keyword research tools like Google Trends or Ubersuggest. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to stand out and rank. Once you've chosen your lane, systematize everything. Create templates for your freelance services or digital products so you're not starting from scratch every time. Batch your work record, multiple videos in one sitting. Design all your weekly social posts in one go. This minimizes decision fatigue and maximizes output. Use AI strategically not to replace your creativity, but to enhance it. Let it help you brainstorm, outline, or polish your ideas. The truth is, in 2025, you don't need to grind 10 hours a day or jump into already crowded markets to hit your income goals. And hey, if you found this video helpful, entertaining, or even slightly motivating, do me a favor. Smash that like button, subscribe for more smart money tips.